If you're a first-time Canadian home buyer, you probably have a ton of questions when it comes to buying your first home. Trust me, you're in the right place. Over this 6-part series, I'm going to share everything that you need to know about buying your first home. From the essentials of building your credit to navigating the intricacies of mortgages and beyond, every step has been meticulously documented to help you on the road to homeownership.
This is the Saskatchewan Real Estate Podcast.
Welcome back to this 6-part series, The Ultimate First-Time Home Buyer's Guide. In previous episodes, we have touched on credit and income. This week, we look at the final factor when qualifying for a mortgage, your down payment. In Canada, our rules around down payment stem from the Anti-Money Laundering Act. All lenders are required to collect all the necessary documentation for down payment and the origin of funds used in the home buying process. To satisfy the lender's requirements, you will be required to provide a 90-day history of all funds being used for both your down payment and closing costs. Statements must show your name and account number and not be altered in any way. If there are any large deposits, we will need to provide an explanation and potentially another 90-day history of the funds being transferred in from another account, such as savings or investments. $2,000 is a general number, however, each lender will have their own policies and tracking details. There are rules on where down payment money can come from. Allowable sources for down payment when buying a home are own resources, any non-borrowed savings or investments in your personal name. Keeping in mind, these funds have to be in a Canadian bank account. If the funds are cash, crypto, gold, silver, anything like this, these funds will have to be converted over into a Canadian bank account and will need a 90-day history of that money being in the account. Gifted down payment. An immediate family member can gift you a portion or all of your down payment depending on the lender. Gifted equity. Parents can gift equity from their family home to their child when the child purchases the family home. Other sources can be equity borrowed from another property or sale proceeds from a previous home or asset. Now that we know where the down payment funds can come from, let's cover the minimum down payment requirements for purchasing a home. Some basic guidelines for a minimum down payment are as follows. For an insured mortgage, this means you are putting less than 20% down. All insurers require a minimum of a 5% down payment on the first $500,000 on the purchase price, increasing to 10% on any amount above $500,000 but less than $1 million. If putting less than a 20% down, you will require mortgage default insurance. This premium is added to your loan. The benefits are lower interest rates. If you are purchasing a home that exceeds $1 million, is a rental, or with some lenders has multiple units, you will be required to have a minimum down payment of 20%. Other scenarios that will require a 20% down or more payment are if we need to access an alternative lender due to credit or a specific program not offered on the prime side. The property type can also require a larger down payment, such as a seasonal cottage or raw land. One of the benefits of putting 20% or more down is you don't require mortgage default insurance, and you can access a longer amortization, like 30 years, allowing your mortgage payment to be lower. Lastly, your debt servicing ratios also play a key factor in your required down payment. Although the minimum down payment on a home under $500,000 is 5%, you still need to qualify for that minimum amount. You may be required to put additional money down to bring these ratios in line with your ideal purchase price. Congratulations, you've completed the 4th phase of 6 on the Ultimate First-Time Home Buyer's Guide. If you found value in this episode, hit the like button and subscribe to catch the next episodes where we'll continue to educate you on all things that you need to know about buying a house. If you're a first-time home buyer in Saskatchewan and you are ready to buy a home, you can find a calendar link in the description of this video. I can help arrange your pre-approval and connect you with a local trusted realtor who can find you the perfect property. Until next week, I'm Ron Caroni, your Saskatchewan mortgage professional. Bye for now.